Hello, boys and girls. So this is Interactive Notebook page 26. If you want to go ahead and get it open or get your paper copy in front of you, I'm going to go through and read the information. You will use the Ancient China slideshow pages 20 and 21 to help you with some of the answers. So here we go. You may pause this video as often as you need to, and then just start it back up when you're ready to move on. So we are talking about the Silk Road today. And the Silk Road was a route that traders utilized between China and Western countries. It ran from China through Asia and all the way to Europe. The red lines represent land routes and the blue lines represent maritime or water routes. So if you look at the map, here are our land routes for the Silk Road, and then the blue paths here, the blue lines, are the maritime or water routes. Chinese merchants exported silk, spices, tea, and other goods. This route was utilized in the Western Han Dynasty after the Qin Dynasty, and the routes were formed throughout the Han Dynasty. So on the bottom of Interactive Notebook page 26, you have this notebook page here where you'll answer some questions. The first one on the left-hand side is, what cultural impact do you think the Silk Road had on China? How did it influence their way of life? So you can use information here at the top, but I think you're going to find more of your information on slides 20 and 21. The second question on the left here is, how do you think goods traveled along the Silk Road? Think about that. There's two, land and maritime or water. And then finally on the left or the right hand side here, predict hazards that traders faced along the way. So you may not find the answer for this question on this interactive notebook page or on slide 20 or 21. It wants you to think, what hazards or what things could happen that are bad that these traders could face as they traveled along those roads. All right, remember when you are done to go into the Google Classroom and submit this assignment through Kami or through the Google Classroom. You don't have to submit the video, just the actual interactive notebook page.